Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we begin to turn a bit to the northwest on US 72 West in Marshall County, Mississippi, as we start to make our approach to the Tennessee state line 13 miles away. We passed through the unincorporated community of Mount Pleasant. Mount Pleasant was granted census-designated place status in 2020 by the U.S. Census Bureau, and at that time had a population of 293. Here, a trumpet interchange connects US 72 with Mississippi Highway 302, which heads west into the Memphis suburbs of Olive Branch and South Haven, Mississippi. We cross the state line back into Tennessee. As we discussed in the first video of the series, US 72 is the only US highway that begins and ends in the same state, yet travels through 2 other states along the way. We've gained a concurrency with Tennessee State Route 86 here, and we're in the city of Piperton in Fayette County. Piperton is a quaint and close-knit community characterized by its rural ambiance and a population of around 2,263 residents. The town is renowned for its tranquil and picturesque environment, offering a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of larger cities. Although primarily residential in nature, Piperton enjoys the advantage of being near Memphis, which provides its residents with access to a broader spectrum of employment prospects, entertainment choices, and various amenities. Here we cross I-269, the outer, not quite beltway around the south and east sides of Memphis. At the overpass, we enter Shelby County in the city of Collierville. Collierville holds the distinction of being the second oldest town in Shelby County. This charming town is celebrated for its unique blend of small-town allure and the convenience of suburban amenities. According to the 2020 census, Collierville had a population of approximately 51,324 residents. Collierville is characterized by its picturesque tree-lined streets, well-preserved historic architecture, and a vibrant downtown area that adds to its overall appeal. The town is renowned for its tight-knit community and family-friendly atmosphere. One of its standout features is its exceptional school system, which makes it an attractive choice for families seeking quality education for their children. Situated in close proximity to Memphis, just a short drive away, Collierville offers residents easy access to a wide range of employment opportunities, cultural attractions, and entertainment options in the larger city. Beyond its historic downtown, Collierville takes pride in its parks, recreational facilities, and a diverse array of community events held throughout the year. These attributes contribute to making Collierville an appealing place to call home for those who value the comforts of suburban living and the sense of belonging that comes from a close-knit community. Here we see a junction with State Route 385, the Bill Morris Parkway, with a SPUI, or single-point urban interchange configuration. We conclude today's video at Tennessee Mile 25.5 as US 72 turns left onto West Poplar Avenue, beginning a concurrency with Tennessee State Highway 57. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 or more a month, you too can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.